Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share of some mail I received. And let's see, at first I received this and it is from Jeannie Williams. She is Artistic Pours and More here on YouTube. And I've already opened it. Oh, look. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Oh, this is a pretty puffy reindeer. And then she added this red jemmy for the Rudolph nose and a snowflake. Wow, I love it. And oh, and it's a trifold-ish. Let's see. Happy holidays. The most wonderful time of year. Season, winter, wonderland, frost, and snow. And then she has that snowflake again. And then she's added her letter. I wanted to wish you a blessed holiday season and wonderful new year filled with lots of love and happiness, good health, and peace throughout the coming year. Your crafty friend, Jean Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Thank you for your continued support. God bless, stay safe, and be happy. Yes, girl. So it says, in everything give thanks. We do need to remember that. Like, even though crap is hard, it could always be worse, man. Could always be worse. And so she did make this card. Thank you so much for thinking of me this holiday season. Happy holidays. And then my next mail is from Lisa Douglas. And she's Lisa Douglas, I think, here on YouTube as well. Oh, look at the Santa. I can fussy cut this out and use it as a tag. Like I can back it on paper for next year. Christmas 2020, your YouTube friend, Lisa Douglas. May the magic of Christmas live in your heart forever. Thank you so much, Lisa, for thinking of me this holiday season. I appreciate both of you. I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. Mele kalikimaka to you and your ohana. Thank you for coming by today. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Feel free to leave a comment in my comments below. And for more videos like these, or until more videos like these, shakas.